It's me again, back on the channel, and today on Lockdown Cooking, we're going to be doing Madeleines from La Rue's Gastronomie, or Gastronomique, because I'm not insane at French. There it is. Hope you saw it, because I'm not doing that again. There are 3 Madeleine recipes. There's classic, commercy, and English Madeleines. We're doing the English Madeleines because they're probably the easiest. And that's the way it goes in this place. So, we've just started like a few minutes ago. And it says, cream the butter and the sugar together until creamy and pale. That's the issue we're having. So when you mix it like that, it's not sticking and becoming creamy. It's pale because of the light, but we're just gonna have to carry on. And the reason I'm using this instead of this is because the butter just goes straight through that. Yeah. So basically, we're going to see once we have made this creamy and put the eggs and the self-raising flour in, and then we're going to be pouring it in, and then you'll have a part 3 for this one where we're going to see it coming out of those which have been greased. Bye.